China is synonymous with trains that travel at 400 kilometers per hour, massive skyscrapers, and one of the world's largest digital networks. Yes, this is modern China. China is a country where thousands of kilometers of roads can be built within just a few hours. It has its own social media network, and popular apps like Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram do not work there. Today, 1 out of every 3 products used around the world is made in China. There are even cities where metro trains pass right through residential buildings. In some places, you may feel like you're walking on the ground floor, but in reality, you're standing hundreds of floors above the ground. So friends, today we are going to learn about China, a country known as the world's 3rd largest economy and the largest manufacturing powerhouse. Let's get started. Located in East Asia, China is the 3rd largest country in the world by land area. It shares borders with a total of 14 countries. Beijing is the capital of China, while Shanghai is its largest city. More than 1.4 billion people live in this highly populated country. Although China is generally considered an atheist state, it is also home to followers of Buddhism, Christianity, and Islam. China is a vast and diverse country. It is home to enormous mountains, deserts, rivers, and countless modern cities. While many countries take pride in trains that run at 100 miles per hour, China has reached speeds of 400 kilometers per hour. China's transportation system is one of the most advanced in the world. It has the world's largest high-speed rail network, known as China High-Speed Rail. One of the most famous trains on this network is the Shanghai Maglev train, which can travel at speeds of around 430 kilometers per hour. Not only railways, but China has also made tremendous progress in road transportation. The country has one of the world's largest expressway networks. In addition, Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, and many other cities are home to some of the busiest and most modern airports in the world. In terms of the economy, China is currently the world's 2nd largest economic power. It is estimated that by 2026, the country's GDP will exceed $20 trillion. Today, China is known as the world's largest manufacturing hub. It is home to millions of workers, a high-speed transportation system, massive seaports, and advanced technology. Many of the world's leading technology companies, automobile manufacturers, and fashion brands produce their products in China. At one time, China was known only for low-cost manufacturing. But today, the country is rapidly advancing in smart technology and high-quality innovation. Much of the global economy is now connected to China. In fact, if a major Chinese factory shuts down, it can affect supply chains across the world. Interestingly, only about 10 to 12% of China's total land is suitable for cultivation. As a result, most farming is carried out along river basins. China's major crops include rice, wheat, corn, soybeans, tea, and cotton. China is also the world's largest producer of tea. The Yangtze River, the 3rd longest river in the world, is located in China. It stretches for approximately 6,300 kilometers. China is also one of the world's most powerful countries in terms of military strength. It is not only ahead in the number of troops, but also in advanced technology, modern weapons, and strategic capabilities. Now let's talk about China's social media. China's digital world is completely different from the rest of the world. While Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram are banned, China has built an entirely separate digital ecosystem of its own. The country's most popular app is WeChat. With this single app, people can send messages, make online payments, shop, and even book taxis. In addition, apps like Baidu, Youku, and Weibo are also extremely popular there. China is famous for its magnificent skyscrapers. Almost every city in the country is filled with countless towering buildings. So friends, now let's take a look at some of China's most famous tourist attractions. First is the Great Wall of China. It is one of the world's most famous architectural landmarks. Stretching thousands of kilometers, this wall is one of the largest man-made structures ever built. It was constructed by ancient Chinese dynasties for defensive purposes. Today, it is also recognized as one of the world's greatest wonders. Every year, millions of tourists visit this magnificent wall. The second destination is Zhangjiajie National Forest Park. You have probably watched the famous Hollywood movie Avatar. The floating mountains featured in that film were inspired by this breathtaking place in China. The park is home to massive sandstone pillars and stunning natural scenery. It is also home to the Bailong Elevator, the world's tallest and fastest outdoor elevator. To experience the true face of modern China, you must visit the city of Shanghai. The city is famous for its ultra-modern infrastructure and magnificent skyscrapers.
A visit to Shanghai allows you to witness China's technological advancement up close. The Shanghai Tower, located in the city, is also one of the tallest buildings in the world. In addition, China is home to countless other tourist attractions. You can also visit the Forbidden City, the Terracotta Army, Chengdu, the Yellow Mountains, and many other famous destinations. So friends, this was the story of modern China. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.